Welcome back to the quiz show by Kidzek. Today we have 50 general knowledge quiz about continent and oceans in the world. You have 10 seconds to answer it with your friends. But before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and write down your score in the comment down. Let's get started. Question number 1. How many continents are there in the world? 5, 6 or 7? Seven is the right answer. Question number 2. Which continent is the largest by land area? Asia, Africa or Antarctica? Asia is the right answer. Question number 3. Which ocean is the deepest? Pacific, Atlantic or Indian? Pacific Ocean is the deepest. Number 4. Which continent is the only one that covers all 4 hemispheres? Europe, Australia or Africa? Africa is the right answer. Number 5. Which ocean is the smallest? Arctic, Southern or Indian? Arctic Ocean is the smallest. Question number 6. Which continent is the coldest? A. North America, B. Antarctica, C. Europe. Antarctica is the right answer. Question number 7. Which ocean is the warmest? A. Indian, B. Pacific, C. Atlantic. Indian Ocean is warmest. Number 8. Which continent has the most countries? Asia, Africa or Europe? Africa has the most countries in the world. Question number 9. Which ocean is the saltiest? Atlantic, Pacific or Southern? Atlantic Ocean is the saltiest. It's time for number 10. Which continent has the highest population? A. Asia, B. Europe, C. South America. Asia is the right answer. Question number 11. Which continent is the driest? Australia, Antarctica or South America? Antarctica is the driest. Number 12. Which ocean is the largest ocean? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean or Indian Ocean? And the largest ocean is Pacific. Number 13. Which continent is the only one that does not have a desert? Europe, North America or Asia? Europe have not any desert. Number 14. Which ocean is the youngest ocean? Southern, Arctic or Atlantic? Southern Ocean is the youngest. Question number 15. Which continent is the most biodiverse? A. South America, B. Africa, C. Asia. South America is the right answer. Number 16. Which ocean is the most polluted? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean or Indian Ocean? Pacific Ocean is most polluted. Question number 17. Which continent is the smallest by land area? A. Australia, B. Europe, C. Antarctica. Australia is the right answer. Number 18. Which ocean is the most explored? A. Atlantic, B. Pacific, C. Indian. Atlantic Ocean is the right answer. Number 19. Which continent is the only one that is also a country? Australia, Antarctica or Africa? Australia is the right answer. Number 20. Which ocean is the most biodiverse? A. Indian, B. Pacific, C. Atlantic. Pacific is the most biodiverse. Question number 21. Which continent is the most urbanized? North America, Asia, or Europe? Europe is the right answer. Number 22. Which ocean has the most islands? Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, or Pacific Ocean? Pacific Ocean has the most islands. Number 23. Which continent has the longest river in the world? Africa, South America, or Asia? Africa has the longest river in the world. Number 24. Which ocean has the largest coral reef system in the world? A. Indian, B. Pacific, C. Atlantic. Pacific Ocean is the right answer. Question number 25. Which continent has the lowest point on the Earth? Antarctica, Asia, or Australia? Asia has the lowest point on the Earth. Number 26. Which ocean is also known as the Southern Ocean? Antarctic, Arctic, or Atlantic? Antarctic is the right answer. Number 27. Which continent has the most language spoken? A. Asia, B. Africa, C. Europe. Asia is the right answer. Number 28. Which ocean is home to the Bermuda Triangle? Indian, Pacific, or Atlantic? Atlantic is home to the Bermuda Triangle. Question 29. Which continent is the only one without reptiles or snakes? Antarctica, Europe, or North America? Antarctica is the right answer. Number 30. Which ocean is the source of the Gulf Stream? Pacific, Atlantic, or Indian? Atlantic is the right answer. Do you know which continent has the largest desert in the world? Asia, Africa, or Australia? Africa has the largest desert in the world. Question number 32. Which ocean is also known as the Austral Ocean? Pacific, Atlantic, or Southern? Southern Ocean is also known as the Austral Ocean. Question number 33. Which continent has the highest mountain in the world? A. Asia, B. South America, C. North America. Asia has highest mountain in the world. Number 34. Which ocean has the Ring of Fire, a zone of frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions? Pacific, Atlantic, or India? Pacific is the right answer. Question number 35. Which continent has the most active volcanoes? Europe, Africa, Asia? Asia is the right answer. Question number 36. Which ocean is the only one that does not touch any continent? Arctic, Antarctic, or Atlantic? Antarctic is the right answer. Question number 37. Which continent has the largest freshwater lake in the world? North America, South America, or Africa? North America is the right answer. Question number 38. Which ocean has the Sargasso Sea, a region of calm water and floating sea? Pacific, Atlantic, or Indian? Atlantic is the right answer. Question number 39. Which continent has the smallest country in the world? Europe, Asia, or Australia? Europe has the smallest country in the world. Number 40. Which ocean has the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on the Earth? Pacific, Atlantic or Indian? Pacific is the right answer. Question number 41. Which continent has the most time zones? A. Europe, B. Africa or C. Asia? Asia has the most time zones. Number 42. Do you know which ocean is also known as the Eastern Ocean? Indian, Pacific or Atlantic? Indian Ocean is also known as the Eastern Ocean. Question number 43. Which continent has the largest rainforest in the world? South America, Africa or Asia? South America has the largest rainforest in the world. Number 44. Which ocean has the Panama Canal, a man-made waterway that connects it to another ocean? Pacific, Atlantic or Indian? Atlantic is the right answer. Question number 45. Which continent has the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Europe, Asia or Africa? Europe is the right answer. Number 46. Which ocean has the Maldives, a group of islands that are the lowest lying country in the world? Indian, Pacific or Atlantic? Indian is the right answer. Question number 47. Which continent has the most landlocked countries, meaning they have no coastlines? Europe, Asia, Africa? Africa is the right answer. Question number 48. Which ocean has the Great Barrier Reef, the largest living structure on Earth? A. Pacific, B. Atlantic, C. Indian? Pacific is the right answer. Question number 49. Which continent has the most lakes in the world? South America, North America or Europe? North America has the most lakes in the world. And the last one, number 50. Which ocean has the Titanic, a famous ship that sank in 1912 after hitting an iceberg? Arctic, Pacific or Atlantic? Atlantic is the right answer. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and write down your score in the comment down. Bye bye.